Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I haven't been feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and I feel very tired.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a fever or cough?
Yes, I have a slight fever, but no cough.
I see. Let me check your temperature and blood pressure.
Okay.
Your temperature is a little high. You should get some rest.
All right. Is it serious?
No, it's not serious. It looks like a mild infection.
That's good to hear.
I will give you some medicine. Take it twice a day after meals.
Okay, doctor.
Also, drink plenty of water and avoid cold drinks.
I will. Thank you for your advice.
If you don't feel better in a few days, come back.
I will. Thank you, doctor.
Take care and get well soon.
How can I help you?
My back hurts a lot.
Do you sit for long hours?
Yes, I work at a desk all day.
That explains it.
What should I do?
Do some stretching exercises and take breaks.
All right.
I'll also give you pain relief medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I go to the gym.
I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I stretch my body.
I run in the park. I run in the park. I run in the park.
I exercise every morning. Every morning. I exercise every morning. It helps me stay healthy.
I take a break. I take a break.
I comb my hair. I comb my hair.
Hello. What's wrong today?
I have a fever and a sore throat.
When did it start?
2 days ago.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Let me check your throat.
Okay.
It's a mild infection. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you.
Rest well and drink warm fluids.
I will.
Hi, David. How do you go to work every day?
Hi, Mary. I usually take the bus. It's quite convenient.
Really? How long does it take you?
It takes about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's not too bad. What time do you leave home?
I leave around 7:30 a.m. so I don't miss the bus.
Do you walk to the bus stop?
Yes, it's only a 5-minute walk from my house.
Is the bus crowded in the morning?
Yes, it's usually full, especially during rush hour.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music or sometimes read a book.
That sounds nice. I drive to work, but traffic is terrible.
Yeah, that's why I prefer the bus. It's less stressful.
Maybe I should try taking the bus too.
You should. It might save you time and energy.
Hello. How are you today?
Hi. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
Hi. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
Oh, I understand. Work can be exhausting sometimes.
Yes, it can be. But I'm happy the day is almost over.
That's true. Do you have any plans for this evening?
Not really. I might just relax at home. What about you?
I'm thinking about watching a movie or reading a book.
That sounds nice and relaxing.
Yes, I need some rest after a busy day.
Same here. It's important to take a break.
Absolutely. By the way, it's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. I always enjoy talking with you.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful evening.
You too. Take care and see you soon.
Hello. How are you today?
Hi. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Just a little tired from work.
Oh, I understand. Work can be exhausting sometimes.
Yes, it can be. But I'm happy the day is almost over.
That's true. Do you have any plans for this evening?
Not really. I might just relax at home. What about you?
I'm thinking about watching a movie or reading a book.
That sounds nice and relaxing.
Yes, I need some rest after a busy day.
Same here. It's important to take a break.
Absolutely. By the way, it's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. I always enjoy talking with you.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful evening.
You too. Take care and see you soon.
I study English every evening. I study English every evening.
I drink coffee every day. I drink coffee every day.
I study English every evening. I study English every evening.
I drink coffee every day. I drink coffee every day.
Good evening. May I take your order?
Yes, I'd like fried rice, please.
Sure. Would you like chicken, beef, or vegetables in your fried rice?
Chicken, please.
Great choice. Would you like a small or large portion?
A large one, please.
No problem. Anything to drink?
Just water for now.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Would you like anything else? Maybe a soup or dessert?
No, that's all for now, thank you.
All right. Your order will be ready in about 10-15 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Our daughter has a fever. She feels very hot.
Oh no, when did it start?
She started feeling sick this morning.
Is she coughing or feeling weak?
Yes, she is coughing a little and looks very tired.
We should take her to the doctor.
I agree. I am worried about her.
I will get the car ready.
Okay, I will help her put on her jacket.
Doctor, I cannot sleep well at night.
How long has this been happening?
About 1 week, maybe a little longer.
Do you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep?
Both. I take a long time to fall asleep, and I wake up many times.
I see. Do you feel stressed these days?
Yes, I have a lot of work and deadlines.
That can affect your sleep. Do you drink coffee or tea at night?
Yes, I drink coffee in the evening to stay awake.
That may be the problem. Try to avoid coffee at least 6 hours before bedtime.
Okay, doctor. What else can I do?
Try to go to bed at the same time every night and wake up early.
I usually use my phone before sleeping. Is that bad?
Yes, using your phone can make it harder to sleep. Stop using it 30 minutes before bed.
Should I take any medicine?
Not right now. First, try to improve your habits.
What if I still can't sleep?
If it continues, come back and we will check further or give medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and try to relax before sleeping.
What brings you in today?
I have stomach pain.
Where exactly does it hurt?
On the left side.
Did you eat anything unusual?
Yes, I ate street food yesterday.
That might be the cause.
Is it serious?
No, but take this medicine and avoid oily food.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. What seems to be the problem?
I have a terrible toothache.
Which tooth hurts?
The one on the left side.
How long has it been hurting?
Since last night.
Let me take a look.
Okay.
You have a cavity.
Oh no, is it serious?
Not too serious, but it needs treatment.
What should I do?
I'll clean it and give you medicine. You may need a filling later.
All right. Thank you.